Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aliyah Binti Hasudin and my student ID is 2022822552. So today I would like to discuss lab assignment Calculus 3 MAT491. So for the first question is section A. Plot the following surface using either the three option of plotting, which is plot 3D, implicit plot 3D, or parametric plot. Name the surface. You will have to experiment with the limit of the variable. For this section, I have choose two questions, which is the first one is A, z equal to x square plus y square, and J, which is x square equal to y square plus z square. Now, let's discuss the first question. For the first step, I have start with maple coding, which is I insert the restart and with open bracket plots, close bracket, and get the output. The second step is implementation steps, which is I insert the plot 3D, open bracket, x square plus y square, which is x is equal to -4 until 4, and y equal to -4 until 4, and that's the output I got. The name of the surface is paraboloid. Next, I insert implicit plot 3D, open bracket, z equal to x square plus y square, where x equal to -4 until 4, and y equal to -4 until 4, z equal to 0 to 4, and axis is normal, close bracket, and that's the output outcome. The name of surface is elliptic paraboloid. The next question is question J. For the first step, I start with maple coding, which is I insert the restart and with open bracket, plot, close bracket, and get the output. Second step is implementation step, which is I insert implicit plot 3D, open bracket, x square equal to y square plus z square, where x equal to -2 until 2, y equal to -2 until 2, and z equal to -2 until 2, close bracket, and that is the output that I got. The name of the surface is double cone. For the next step, I insert implicit plot 3D, open bracket, x square equal to y square plus z square, where x equal to -6 until 6, y equal to -6 until 6, and z equal to -6 until 6, close bracket, and that's the output that I got. The shape still remain the same even it's in the different range, and the name of the surface is double cone. Section B. Plot the solid. Let's discuss the first question. So for the first question from section B, I choose question 1, which is plot the solid that lies between the cone z equal to set x square plus y square and the plane z is equal to 4. So the first step is maple coding, which is I insert the restart with open bracket plots and close bracket, and the function is set x squared plus y squared and z equal to 4. Second step is implementation step. I start with plot 3D, open bracket, rho, theta, pi over 4, which is rho equal to 0 until 2, secant, open bracket, pi over 4, theta equal to -pi until pi, and coords equal to spherical, close bracket, and that's the output I got. Name of the surface is cone. We're moving on to the next step, which is implementation step. I start with plot 3D, open bracket, to secant, open bracket, p, close bracket, theta, and p, where theta equals to -pi until pi, p equal to 0 until pi over 4, where coords equal to spherical, close bracket. That is the result that I got. Name of the surface is cylinder, but I labeled it as base. To get the result, I insert plot, display, open bracket, cone and base, viewpoint equal to circle left, close bracket, and the output outcome is the combination of cone and cylinder. The second question that I choose from section B is Question 3. Plot the solid that is inside the hemisphere z equal to sec 25 minus x square minus y square. Outside the cylinder, x square plus y square equal to 4 and above the xy plane. For the first step, I insert the start and with open bracket plus close bracket. For the second step, I insert spherical plots, open bracket, phi, theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, p equal to 0 until pi over 2, and axis equal to bulk, close bracket. That is the result, and the name of the surface is hemisphere. For the next implementation step is I insert cylinder plot, open bracket 2, theta equal to 0 until 2 pi, z equal to 0 until 5, axis equal to box, close bracket, and the output is cylinder. Then I continue with insert plot 3D, open bracket, rho theta pi over 2, where rho equal to 2 until 5, theta equal to negative pi until pi, coords equal to spherical, and close bracket. That is the output. Name of the surface is annular plane. For get the result, I insert plot display, open bracket, hemisphere, cylinder, annular plane, which viewpoint equal to circle left and close bracket. That is the output. It is a combination of hemisphere, cylinder, and annular plane. And we are done for all questions. That's all from me. Thank you.